Anti-static ESD flooring tiles are designed to maintain their anti-static performance without the need for waxing under regular cleaning routines. This feature helps reduce maintenance costs. However, to extend the lifespan of the tiles and prevent significant scratches, ESD waxing is recommended as part of their maintenance. ESD Waxing Recommendations. Frequency: high traffic areas, people and vehicles. ESD waxing at least once a month. Low traffic areas. ESD waxing at least once every 6 months. Waxing type: use ESD-specific wax to ensure the anti-static properties remain intact. Old wax removal. Before applying new wax, remove the old wax using a specialized wax remover. Cleaning after ESD waxing. After ESD waxing, avoid cleaning the ESD flooring with water as it can affect the electrical resistance. Instead, use specialized oil-based cleaning agents for regular maintenance. By adhering to these guidelines, you can maximize the durability and performance of your anti-static ESD flooring while maintaining its appearance and functionality.